Back to the channel, everybody. Homeboy James Productions. We got a box in the mail today. My wonderful wife decided she was going to buy something that's useful. As you can see, it says Ryobi. Works with all 200 tools. Let's dig in, see what's in the box. Ryobi cordless. The instruction manual, we never read those. What could it be? Portable shop vac. Runs on the batteries, which we all know I have a ton of. And inside, you have another box. This side also unlatches, so you can just take the whole thing off. Oh, comes with a battery. Back together. Nice little hose. Let's see what's in box number one. 18 volt, 4 amp hour battery. This was $119.95 if you ordered it online, but if you bought it at the store, it was $100 just for this. No battery, no charger. So I told her for the extra $20, an extra battery, even though we already have a ton of them. Then we have the charger. On the side, you have one of the accessories. And on the front, you have the other accessory. So we bought this so that she can shop vac out her car. Give you guys a view. I think it's gonna work out good, but stay tuned to the channel. We'll show it to you in use. All right, so Kathy vacuumed for 30 minutes. Flip the battery over, babe. A little bit lower, a little bit lower. Bring it closer to him. Press the button again. Yep. It's got 1 bar left. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. I'll bring it even closer and smack it. I gave her one of my 4 amp hour batteries, and she's got hers is finally charged. She's gonna smack it in there. Kaboom! So it ran for 30 minutes and never shut off. So I think it's a win. And we have Kathy's dinner on the grill. Johnsonville's, some chicken burgers, and my steaks will be followed. All right, we got Kathy's dinner done. Mine is on 2 steaks, and yes, I'm a redneck. Make garlic bread on the damn grill. Oh yeah, Daddy, the steaks are done. The garlic spread's good. Kathy, she's already been over here snacking. But hey, you know what? It's a good part about a grill day. Alright everybody, let us come to an end. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, ring the notification. You guys got to see us open up the new device Kathy bought today, which is going to help her keep her car clean. And guess what? It's back to the 40 tomorrow. So guess what? You guys all have a safe Sunday and good work day tomorrow. See ya.